Hello ja tervetuloa meidän ensimmäisen YouTube-videon pariin. Meillä olisi tänään vuorossa jalkatreeni ja me mennään treenaamaan tonne Lahden PTV-kymille. Nokko. Cheers. Mutta nyt me lähdetään treenaamaan. Cheers!
Yeah. Thank you. Far too kind. Yeah. Ready? Let's go. Can I get an encore? Do you want more? Cook and roll with the Brooklyn boys. So for one last time, I need y'all to roll. Yeah. Now what the hell are you waiting for? After me, there should be no more. So for one last time, nigga, make some noise. Get him, Jay. Who you know fresher than Ho? Riddle me that. The rest of y'all know where I'm lyrically at. Can none of y'all mirror me back? Yeah, hear me rap, it's like Han G rapping his prime. I'm young H.O., raps Grateful Dead.
Tämmöstä PV-banaanista. Tällä meidän aamusali täällä joku ihan hirveästi on kyllä porukkaa. Se on silleen rauhassa. Me ollaan täällä Lahden PTV-kymillä. Reenaille, tää on niinku meidän molempien kotisali, niin käydään täällä. Täällä reenailee. Mun mielestä tää on paras PTV.
Look what I made for you. Knew if I paid my dues, how will they pay you? When you first come in the game, they try to play you. Then you drop a couple of hits, look how they wait to you. From Marcy to Madison Square. Just a matter of years. As fate would have it, J status appears to be at an all-time high. Perfect time to say goodbye. When I come back like Jordan, we're in the 4-5. It ain't to play games with you, it's to aim at you. Probably maim you. If I owe you, I'm blowing you to smithereens. Cocksucker, take one for your team.
Molemmia jalkoja. Se mitä tekee, se on silleen.
Niin. Tosiaan eka liike tässä menossa ja ollaan molemmille jaloille tehty niinku saks. Toisen ja toisen. Ei kun en mäkään.
No mä mietinkin, että mitä se höpöttää.
Niin. Eli 3 sarjaa ollaan tehty ja se alkuenergia kyllä hyytyi aika silleen nopeesti.
Se hyytyi niin.
Sieltä superseksinä molemmat.
To the end of the day, the clock takes life away. It's so unreal. Didn't look out below. Watch the time go right out the window. Trying to hold on, didn't even know I wasted it all just to watch you go. I kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to be will eventually be a memory of a time I tried so hard and got so far. Don't know why, it doesn't even matter how hard you tried. Keep that in mind. I designed this rhyme to remind myself how I tried so hard. In spite of the way you were mocking me, acting like I was part of your property, remembering all the times you fought with me, I'm surprised it got so. Things aren't the way they were before. You wouldn't even recognize me anymore. Not that you knew me back then, but it all comes back to me in the end. You kept everything inside, and even though I tried, it all fell apart. What it meant to me will eventually be a memory of a time when I tried so hard and got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this, there's only one thing you should know. I've put my trust in you, pushed as far as I can go. For all this.
Joo. Vuorossa tietäinen. Tässä sieltä reisi.
And got so far, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I had to fall to lose it all, but in the end, it doesn't even matter. I cannot take this anymore. Saying everything I've said before. All these words, they make no sense. I found this.
Siinä tehtiin täysiä. Tällä muijalla on voimaa.
Korkattu toinen satainen.
I need a little room to breathe, 'cause I'm one step closer to the edge. I'm about to break. I find the answers aren't so clear. Wish I could find a way to disappear. All these thoughts, they make no sense. I found bliss in ignorance.
Eli kans tekee tossa vähennystä ja mä teen tossa loitonnusta. Noniin. Pickup setit on ollut aika pitkä tää meidän setti jo täällä. Parit sieltä vatsat tehdään ja
Sitten se on siinä.
sieltä bokseet ja
Oikeesti, me tehtiin ihan iso.